Good morning mga igat, this is Sheena, your visa, DIY buddy, and your friendly guide for PH immigration.
Good day mga igat. I hope right now you realize na hindi basta-basta yung pag-prepare ng papers. Let's focus on Visit Visa. I'm Sheena and I did my DIY processing last 2021. And since then, I've been helping people how to get their visa. Yung pinaka-tip ko, sure talaga na prepared kayo. Huwag kayong basta-basta mag-submit lang ng mga papeles. Make sure na madami talaga kayong maibigay to convince them. Ang dami na ding nagtanong sa akin about annulment. Dami din nagsasabi na they want to be done with their annulment first, which takes time. It takes years. Sa akin, it's still not even done yet. But I was able to get an approved visa. Gusto nyo din na ma-check talaga if it's allowed. Din yung ginawa ko before, which was a mistake, knowing na it's not allowed to apply visit visa daw if you're still married. Those informations from travel agencies, I believe them. It took us 2 years to have the courage. I hope you will not waste your time or do the same mistake. Kasi sobrang sayang. And we don't know up until when makakaantay yung mga AFAM nyo. Believe me, may mga away, may mga misunderstanding, may mga kung ano-ano, doubts. By that time na I got the approved visa, iba yung feeling. It was really such a relief. Na lang nakinig na ako sa partner ko. Anyway, it's up to you, okay? If you're gonna try to apply, proven and tested na talaga yan. I got 2 approved visa and 1 for even residency. Pero ayun, lose hope. Depende din yan sa partner mo if they will support you, of course. Don't lose hope, okay? Don't be disappointed. Make sure to be prepared. This is bakit kayo nadi-denied. It's because, okay, kasal ka pa and you didn't really prove them about sa relasyon nyo or sinungaling ka sa papeles mo, you put single or separated, mga papeles about that, will be denied. Kung kasal ka, you didn't tell them the truth. Just be honest with your paper, prove them everything. Na uuwi ka sa Pinas, na seryoso yung relasyon nyo ng AFAM mo, or kahit hindi AFAM, diba? Prove them that deserve mo din to. Deserve mo maging masaya ulit. At least man lang for 90 days, makabisita ka, pag-relax ka, mo makilala yung family ng AFAM mo, mga ganyan. Because mga igat, hindi masama na kasal pa tayo, okay? They will not think like that. Ito gaya sa Pinas na madami silang sinasabi. Mas open-minded sila kumbaga. If sa Pinas madami sinasabi yung mga tao, well, iba sila. As long as you gonna prove them na ganun nga yung relasyon nyo solid, na kayo, then uuwi ka din naman. There's nothing wrong to have a new relationship. There's nothing wrong. Yung ilagay sa utak nyo na mali yung relasyon nyo, na mali yung gagawin nyo, na mali na bibisita ka. Don't. Okay? You deserve to be happy. Trust me, you deserve to be happy. Have a good day!